Hey everybody, 12:25, 20 seconds, June 4th, this again Tuesday. This is for the pre-code Atlas Horror Marvel Tales 117 and 130, just fun covers to look at. I've had these for a while, well, a couple of months. I didn't put them up until I read them. Just awesome. I got a bunch of them too, so keep your eyes open for this Golden Age Atlas stuff. I just wanted to read them before I got them up. So, number is 16. Name at the top of the list. At the end of the 16th roll, we'll get both books. Try my best to get them out today. Worst case, they will ship tomorrow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And here comes the final one. 16, spot 6, Jerry Chabinsky. Hope I pronounced your name correctly. Congratulations. Time is 12:26. 21.